What if I tell you you can make up to $1,000 a day on YouTube without having to film any videos or record any videos? A simple video like this can make you thousands of dollars per day on YouTube. And don't worry, I am going to be showing you where you can get full of these videos for absolutely free. Keep watching the video. I will show you how to do everything step by step. Generally, to make money on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. Usually getting the subscribers is a bit easier, but the watch time, it usually takes around a year to get it. So you are not going to be making any videos at all. I am going to show you where to get videos for absolutely free and you can monetize them. And don't worry, you are not going to be monetizing with AdSense. I am going to show you 3 ways that you can make money with these videos for absolutely free. So if you come to YouTube, the animal niche is extremely profitable. I have made a video in the past, in case you've not seen it, this video right here, which says make $300 a day with YouTube Shorts. Okay, you can go watch that video if you've not seen it already. So I am going to show you how to get pool of videos like this for absolutely free and how you can monetize these videos. I am going to show you where to get these videos. So you want to come to facebook.com and then you want to search for funny cat videos in the search bar. Then you want to scroll down to this video option. Okay, so once you scroll to this video option, you are going to see a lot of videos that has been uploaded on Facebook. And I know most people will tell you to just go over to the filter option right here and go with the Creative Commons option. So the reason why I don't recommend doing this is because YouTube is not going to promote another video that exists on the platform already. They may say you may get some views, but that video will never go viral on YouTube because the video already exists on YouTube. So don't expect YouTube to promote a duplicate on their platform. So generally, if you go to a platform like Facebook, you have a better chance that this video does not exist on YouTube already. Okay, so let me click on this video. You want to click on this and copy the link of this video. Then you want to go to a website, savefrom.net. Okay, so once you come to this website, you want to paste in the Facebook video in there and click on download. So once the video pops up, you want to click on this download. As you can see right here, the video is downloading. Okay, so we are going to wait for the video to completely download. If the first website did not work for you, you can come to this second website, which is getfvid.com, to download Facebook videos for free. Okay, so all you need to do is just paste in the video link and click on download. So once you do that, you can choose any quality you want to download. If you want to download just the audio of the video, you can do that and you can choose any quality. So let's go with the normal. So as you can see, this is the video right here. So what we're going to click on, you're going to click on these 3 dots and then click on download. All right, so while the video is downloading, so you can go on to create a YouTube channel for these videos. Creating a YouTube channel is not difficult at all. All you need to do is have a Gmail account and then you will be able to create YouTube channel. So basically you can just type in YouTube sign up on Google, all right, and you will create an account right away. So once you have an account created, basically you want to come to the upload section, which says create. Okay, so once you click on this create, you will be able to upload any video to YouTube. So if I click on this, so before we go on to upload this video, I am going to show you 3 ways, like I mentioned earlier in this video, that you can use to monetize these videos. So the first way that I recommend is with CPA content locking. So you can go on to CPA Grip, you can use CPA Lead, whatever CPA network you want. Okay, just create a content locker and leave it in the description, and you can monetize the video with content locker. So basically you can go to website like IDPL to look for a PL product that would be of interest to people who are interested in cat. Okay, just make a content locker, create a landing page, and leave the link in the description of your video. Definitely some percentage of people that watch the video will want to click on the link and they will go to your landing page, and once they complete your CPA offers, you make money. Okay, so that is the first way that you can monetize this type of videos. So the second way is using Fiverr affiliates, and don't worry, you are not going to be selling or creating any Fiverr gigs at all. You won't be doing that. Basically you only promote Fiverr gigs that are relevant to people who are interested in cats, and you will make money. I promise, if you stick with me, I am going to show you how to do everything step by step. So basically you want to create a Fiverr affiliate account. If you don't have one, you can just basically type in affiliates.fiverr.com and you will be brought to this page. All right, so as you can see here, it says join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr gigs, and you earn commission. So this is the commission plan right here. So let me click on this. So as you can see here, they have various type of plans. So as you can see, they have various type of plans. The first one is Fiverr CPA, which means you get paid a certain amount of money once you refer someone to Fiverr, and this means the person have to be purchasing on Fiverr for the first time. Okay, and this hybrid, which says Fiverr hybrid, it means you will get $10 when that person sign up, and you will also get 10% of whatever they spend on Fiverr in the next 12 months. Okay, so there are still other products that you can promote. There's Fiverr business, there is Fiverr affiliate, which means you can have your own affiliates. Okay, so whatever your affiliates make, you will earn a commission. Okay, there's also Fiverr Learn, which is Fiverr courses. Okay, if you refer anyone to get these Fiverr courses, you will also get a commission. So there's also another one here, Fiverr Workspace. So basically you can go and look around all this and choose anyone you want, but basically the one we are going to be focusing on in this video is Fiverr CPA, which means you will make $15 to $150 per anyone you refer to Fiverr. So if you scroll down here, these are the plan here for Fiverr CPA. As you can see, if you refer anyone to purchase a Fiverr Pro plan, so let me go on Fiverr to show you, for those who don't know what it is. So for instance, let's search for logo design. As you can see here, you can see this option here, it says Pro Service. So if you click on this Pro Service, this is going to show you services that are exceptional on Fiverr. So if you promote any of these services on Fiverr and you get anyone to purchase these services, so you will get paid $150 on Fiverr per anyone you refer to purchase any Fiverr Pro service. And the next one is industrial or product design, which means if you refer anyone to purchase a service in this category, so let me show you what it means. So if you refer someone to purchase this industrial and product design, if you refer anyone to purchase this service, you are going to make $50 per anyone you refer to purchase the service. So you can just go over each categories and see whichever one you want to promote. Okay, so the next thing now is to join Fiverr affiliates, and it's very, very simple. All you need to do is click on join now and you will be able to create an account. They accept everybody, so don't worry about getting approved because they approve everybody. So basically it's a worldwide platform. You can use Fiverr affiliates worldwide. So for me, I am just going to log in since I have an account already. So I am just going to sign in. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have made $15 with this Fiverr affiliate platform. Okay, I know it's not a lot, but I just tested it out to make sure it works before bringing it to you guys. So if I go over here and let's say I go to, let's say January, I think that was when I created this account. So if I click on update, So you are going to see that I have an account with them for a very long time. So you can see here the commission here $15, and you can see here first time buyer. So if we go back to the commission plan, you can see you will earn between $15 to $150. So the category the person I referred to bought from was from other categories. As you can see here, if the category you are promoting is not amongst the one listed here, so you will get $15. So which means that is the minimum that you can earn from Fiverr affiliates. If you go with the Fiverr CPA plan, the minimum you are going to earn is $15. And as you can see in my account right here, I made that $15. Okay, so to promote, so now you may be wondering, how does that relate to this cat video? So what you want to do is you want to come to Fiverr, and then you want to type in cat portrait. So if you type in cat portrait, you are going to see a lot of designs about cat portrait. So anyone who comes on Fiverr to purchase cat portrait, it means that person is interested in cats. So you want to look for services here that are not expensive, and also they have a high rating. Okay, so something like this one, as you can see here, it has 4 orders in queue, which means these people are interested in cats. So if we go over what this person has done, so here is a cat portrait. So as you can see, this is the person that bought this service. So which means people who are interested in cats are most likely going to buy a cat portrait. All right, so as you can see, this is also another one. As you can see, this is the person that ordered for it. Generally, that is how you do it, and you can see it. This person ordered for it 5 days ago. If you refer anyone to buy this cat portrait, since this is in the graphic and design category, so you are going to make $50. Okay, as you can see here, this is graphic design right here. If you refer one person to purchase this service, you are going to make $50 straight into your account. If you can refer just 5 people a day, you are going to make $250 a day with Fiverr affiliates. So now you want to copy this link, you want to go to your Fiverr account. So now you want to go to this section that says marketing tools, and then you want to go to this default and deep links. So if you go there, you want to come to this LP URL, okay, and then you want to paste in that Fiverr gig link in there, and then you want to click on this shorten URL. So once you click on that, you can see this is the Fiverr affiliate link. As you can see here, it says Fiverr CPA. So once you've created your channel, you want to locate where the video is on your device, and then you want to upload the video. Okay, so once you upload the video, you can go back to Facebook and you can look for the name of that video. As you can see here, this is the title of the video. So basically you can just paste in that title in there, and you can give the video a short description. Come down to the end of this video and make sure you select not made for kids. So once you select that, you can see here you want to get this vidIQ plugin, because it's going to recommend a bunch of keywords that you can use to rank this video, so you even get faster. If you don't have it, just go to Google and type in vidIQ. You will be able to download this plugin for absolutely free. So I am just going to click in these keywords here. So if I refresh, you can see it's going to give me more keywords to input here. So basically that is how you do it. So once you've done that, the next thing now is to add a little description of the video, and then you want to include your link to the Fiverr affiliate we just copied, okay, or to your content locker. So those are the first 2 ways that you can use to monetize these videos, because you can make money with this video with AdSense. Because you don't own this video, YouTube will not allow you to make money with AdSense. You want to also add a disclaimer in this video, all right, that this video does not belong to you. I may leave a link to that disclaimer here, so you want to add that disclaimer in this video. All right, so once you add that disclaimer, you are done. The last way that you can make money with this video is using Teespring. So let's go to teespring.com. So Teespring is a print on demand platform that allows you to sell t-shirts, caps, even mugs, okay, or phone cases. All right, so you can sell varieties of products on this platform as well, and you don't need to do the shipping. Teespring is going to do the shipping for you, and then you get your own cut. So basically it's very simple. What you need to do is just create an account. Also, it's free. There is no approval process, so you just need to click on get start designing or get started. So once you do that, you will be able to create an account. As you can see here, just put in your name, your email, password, and sign up. That's all. All right, so for me, I am just going to log in. Okay, so if you log into your account, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come to this create. Okay, so once you click on this create, you will be able to create any design on Teespring. As you can see, there are a lot of designs here. You can see mug here, you can see hoodie here, sweatshirt, you can see hoodie here. So basically you can choose any product that you want to design. All right, so basically once you come to the page, you can choose any of these products that you want to sell. Okay, so as you can see, if we change it to blue, if we change it to white, so this is how you do it. You make simple design like this. Or if you want to create something that looks extremely good, you can go onto Fiverr and pay someone $5 to create a good design for you. So once you have done making the design, of course, you want to set a price for it. So if you sell it at $28, you will be making $11.84 per sale. But this is obviously too expensive, so I recommend that you set it to around, so let's say around $25. Okay, so if you have anybody to purchase this t-shirt, you will be making $8 pure profit. And like I said, you don't have to do any shipping or anything like that. All you basically need to do is to make the design, and Teespring will do the shipping for you as long as you make a sale. And if you create videos like this, you will get thousands of views to these videos, and definitely certain percentage of people that watch the video will click on the link in the description, or you can also leave the link in the comments if you prefer to do that, or you can do both. So definitely people will go to the link and people will go to the description, and once they click on your link, if they like the design, they purchase the t-shirt, you make money. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just refer them to this Fiverr service. So also the third way, you can create a content blocker, and you can leave that link in the description. And I hope you find some value in this video, and if you do, please pump the like button. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and love.